we have another crypto fiasco. What? You want to know everything about it and all the other information in the crypto world? Yes, then smash that like button because it's time for crypto news, fun on the ride, crypto a tope. In today's video, we wanted to talk about the US election, but we have to talk more than that about some other fiasco in the crypto world. If we go to the daily chart in Bitcoin, you can see we were going up. We get to $20,400 for Bitcoin, but after that we started going down. And it seems like we are going to try the bottom of $20,000 once again. And that's because of some NC from FTX and Binance mostly, but we're gonna check other things too. So this is Bitcoin chart in the weekly, and you can see we still like quite flat. We were going up, we were avoiding the path, but we are back on track. And tomorrow we have the midterm elections in United States. And remember that we spent a fiasco. After that, we go today deeper into this topic. You can check Barack Obama's and Donald Trump's midterms elections, and there you have this chart that only Fun on the Right is talking about. So you can see that the last time, November 2018, we went south just that very month, and it took us 6 months to get over it. And in 2014, it was the same. Well, we had a green candle, but it was a trap and we fell. And it took us 13 months, more than a year, in order to recover and start the bull run. And you can see that it's mostly like the end of the bear market when we had a midterm year. And it happened here and it happened here too. So we were in the bear market and started going up. We were in the bear market and started going up. So this time it might take us 6 months or 13 months. And then we will go to next top in the all-time high. So that would be like April 23 if we want to start again. And in the short term, if it's a longer period of time, if it takes us 13 months, then December 2023 could be the moment when we start thinking on the next all-time high. But the good news, if we are following one of those paths, is that we can predict now the bottom for Bitcoin already. So remember, 2014, we went up with Bitcoin after the midterms and then down. And in 2018, we didn't have this moment of going up. We went straight down like 4 days after. Zooming in, those are the paths that we may follow. One of them will take us to December the 19th and the other one to 15th January 2023 for the bottom of the bear market. That would be around $11,000. We'll see about that in next shows, and we will follow all this info, the midterm elections, the CPI for 10th of November, 15th would be the G20 meeting. We'll have some other important things, 17, 21, and 23, some related with the Fed, others because of the World Cup, Soccer World Cup. We'll see about all that. And as always, we have to look at the behavior of dollar. It goes the other way as Bitcoin. So we had a drop in the dollar, and that's why Bitcoin went up and then the same back. It's not helping Binance and FTX, but mostly is the dollar price action what drives these markets. And we'll see about November. With all this, we might have the fall we expected. Just watch the video we have about this month's predictions. And now to the soap opera, Binance liquidating all the holdings of FTX token. Why? Because they say that they know now that Sam is not doing things okay, is trading with the money and is inflating, so he has no value at all. And what he's doing is like being a market maker and creating this fantasy that it has value, but it hasn't. So it's the same again as we had with Celsius, AC3, and also Voyager this summertime. Right now is the Christmas drama, and right now after 2 years of incubation of the project, Binance is saying goodbye to FTT token, and he's saying that he's gonna sell it little by little in the market. It's quite weird because these people normally, usually, they don't say if they are doing things like that. So maybe this is, as some people believe, just a plot in order to attack FTX, because it's a huge competitor for Binance. So the sources are in the high, the battle is there, and of course Alameda and Sam and FTX are saying that the information is not true at all, because they are showing just part of the picture, but if you show the whole picture, they are okay. What do you think? I leave you information like this one. Here they say that yes, they are doing things like Celsius in this summer did. So bad news. And also the reserves of stable coins for FTX in the lowest ever according to this data. Again, we don't know if this is fake news. I'm not expert. This is not financial advice. But the thing is that she said actually published a tweet saying he's selling all of the holdings FTT. They say they are doing it little by little so they don't affect the market. They've started making fun of it like crazy. Yes, you are affecting the market. Of course, volatility in FTT token, it went up and down and up again. So everybody is like with a lot of expectation about it. And always remember that we have huge whales there manipulating all those movements. So be careful if you are a trader, because you probably will lose everything to them. And for the token FTT, well, I find a possible support in $20. If we break that, well, maybe we will go to the $10 range. Also, if you are having trouble like operating with FTX, remember that whenever we have a crisis, whenever the price goes up as crazy or down, we have our friends at Tani. It's a free app. If you download it and connect your exchanges, maybe everybody's trying to access the web and they can do it, but you will be able, independent of the case. Also, they have just released a new app for your mobile. So there you have the QR. Just download it, and right now better options for trading, for having account of your portfolio, and also you can have some discounts because they are partnering with some of those exchanges, and you will find better prices there. Right now, everybody talking about this fiasco. And what about the YouTubers and Twitchers that relay everything on TA, on the analysis, technical analysis? Well, right now you can see that news are a very important variable of this ecosystem, also fundamental. So do not relay everything on the charts. And remember also, again, that we have huge whales. They did manipulate us and the market in the summertime, and right now we're doing it again. Maybe moved from some people behind them. And again, one thought we usually have in this channel, they say that if everything is free, then the product is yourself. In crypto world, if you don't know where the yield is, where are you getting your money, then they are getting it from us. So Ponzi schemes all over. Be careful, because maybe they put you there a fish, but they are whales just playing around with you. Careful with that and fight. This is a street fighter. You have to choose your fighter. Are you against T-Set or Sam? Again, just tell me in the comments below. Right now, Sam Sagat, the guy from the Lord of Rings, that it's turning from hero to villain, is saying he's exhausted, he stands no more all this criticism, and that he's gonna sell maybe also the BNB token they hold. So again, they are affecting the market, and BNB token is going south right now. We'll see if we find support somehow in the 200 range, because if not, my only idea there is $26 for BNB. So terrible. Going back to Bitcoin, Monster Ash tells us that Bitcoin loves channels, and if he respects this channel, we might go to $22,000 soon. Also, with this new theory of the moving regression predictions ban, we might have moving to the upper trend. I leave you the details of this new indicator, and the same guy is telling us that Bitcoin maybe is a megaphone pattern right now, so targeting $80,000 for the year 2023. That would be so awesome. And the same again is telling us that maybe turning around the chart from the past, we are targeting $30,000 right now. We'll see if that's so, or maybe we are trying to be experts here. In the reality is that crypto winters here, and we always get our balls in huge pain. What about Solana? Again, going down because of all this fiasco, and happy anyway because they have their cell phone that I don't like at all, and they have the validation now from Google Cloud. But anyways, as I'm telling you, price going down because the market conditions, and we'll see for the future. If we find support in the $27 range, that will be okay. If not, I just can't find something in the $5 range. Elon Musk, again, is the charter of the day, is the main protagonist, and now is telling us that content creators will have some money if they use Twitter, and also that we can write longer now than the small short tweets. More things from Elon Musk and Twitter. Well, employees were selling verification badges behind the scenes, so they wouldn't allow you to have your blue OK, but with $15,000 they will sell it to you. Terrible, and again telling us that you can't trust no one. This is Dogecoin chart, maybe going down, maybe it will go now to the 0.0666. That would be something in the cards. And a lot of people moving from Twitter. According to this article, they are going to a Mastodon application, which would be the same as Twitter, but in a more decentralized way. Also bad news for Meta. They are laying off 1,000 of employees this week. So bad for the economy, bad for everybody, and bad for the banks. Bad, very bad news. The Santander right now in UK is gonna protect the customers by blocking crypto exchange deposits. So again, you think you have your money in the bank, you think that it's your money, but it's not. They are going to tell you more and more in the future what you can and what you can't do. Lark Dave is telling us Santander Bank is going to implement a 3,000 GBP a month limit on account holder crypto deposits into exchanges. They will still allow you to go and lose your life savings at the casino, horse track, stock market, and lottery dough. And here we can see all those elderly people just being not protected by the banks. Just the crypto is the devil here. They are so hypocrites. Anyway, we have fear in the market, 33 right now. And to say something good, well, we can say that in Canada, we have a 28% rise in the ATM locations. That's so good. And thanks to our friends and partners, Bitbase, you can buy crypto in their platform, and they have a lot of shops and ATMs all over the world. Right now, we are editing the video about the BDC 2022, and we will show you how we interviewed them there. And also, we just knew that in Barcelona, you have a new store, new shop, Paseo San Juan 135. So go there and talk with somebody about crypto. If you have a business and you want an ATM there, I leave you a link in the description because they are looking for new partners. The market in the red, so red for BNB, Solana, AVAX, all the ecosystem of the Ethereum killers. Now Aptos also in the cards with the airdrops, and you can see the worst of the day, that Ethereum killer ecosystem. Good news for Litecoin. Littlecoin is going to new highs in the mining difficulty, and we have to think about the new halving for Litecoin. It's gonna be in 2023 July, and you have this picture here. What's happened, what's going on with Litecoin when we approach the halving. So here, first time, you can see we had a local top, and then we went down. The second time we had a local top, and then we went down. So right now we expect having a local top and then going down, and a year later having the next all-time high. The all-time high we usually have 1 year after the super halving for Litecoin. Again, it's not the same time for Bitcoin. Litecoin always goes first. And here we have from Max some RSE and some MACD data that's telling us that for Litecoin, the bottom is in already. What do you think about it? Leave a comment below about Litecoin. And what do you think about Gala? Do you believe what they are selling, that they have an auto-exploit for safety reasons, or they were hacked for 4.4 million? We'll see about that. We'll see about the Ethereum price right now finding support again in the moving average of 100, but we're trying too many times that line. And you know, the more we use that line, the more it's not going to be support. $40 billion in the DeFi ecosystem, where the huge news remains that application for Instagram and NFTs. Altcoin Daily just gave us this video about the platform and how easy it's gonna be selling and buying there your NFTs. So awesome, and awesome that now in London you can buy an NFT in a vending machine. So crazy. As crazy are our friends from Over the Reality. They retweeted us again and they talk about our special with our friend Porrita Brava, and he told us everything about how to build in the Over ecosystem. You'll have this special in YouTube soon enough, but right now, if you can't wait, you can go to Twitch and watch it there live. Also, remember, 10 to 13 November, we will be attending the Metaverse Music Festival, Decentraland and Over the Reality joining forces. Those are awesome in the AR and the Metaverse ecosystems. And thank you, community. Thank you, people like Atomic Kant or also Javier Alcalde, because they told us about the last airdrop for Iota. It's run for ASMB. So this time I did it. Not as the last time, and you have to go there to your Firefly wallet and you have to upload it to version 1.70. I did that going to firefly.iota.org. Be very careful with phishing attacks, and after that you just click on staking, and then you have to sign. If you have the ledger, you just have to stake and sign the transaction. If you like airdrops now with Chico Crypto, he has 2 more videos. Awesome news. That means that his depression is improving, is getting better from it. So good news. And he told us about Layer 0. He expects this to be the next thing in the airdrop ecosystem. I didn't do it. I didn't follow it. But if you want to try and see if you win some money, you have all the information in this video that I leave in the description below. Thank you to the writer Michael Castelblanco. He commented that in this picture from Elon Musk, you can see the word cow. I can't, but my sister did a research there, and yes, it's written like that. You can see it now. So maybe the coin for the word in Twitter is going to be cow, and in Mars will be Dogecoin. We'll see about that, and we can go to Mars with Star Atlas. Maybe we didn't lose all our money. I don't know. We found an expert in BDC 2022 who told us that this project was an impossible mission. But right now, we see improvement there. So that's something. What do you think about it? I'm so scared, but it seems to be in progress. Thank you very much to everybody that is contributing with us through PayPal. This is our address. It was wrong yesterday, but thanks to our friend Ricardo Cando, right now, no, thanks to our friend David, now we know it's okay, and he also gave us €5. Thank you very much for that, and thank you to everybody that sent us animals, like Andy said, that is telling us that that's what we need in the crypto space. We need to be in calm, no matter what happens. Stay focused in our target. This dog is so tired about the crypto news that is gonna fall asleep. There we go. Have a good one. Those two are so awake. They are dancing like crazy. They smile in the face of adversity in the crypto world. This other one prefers to just sit and wait for next year situation because it's gonna be better. This one just learning from fiasco to fiasco from other riders that did wrong in the past, and he's now starting to do wrong too in order to do okay in the future. We'll see about that, and we'll see about that fight between Binance and FTX. Here you can see Sam Sagath and also see Seth fighting, and this guy is the crypto sensei. Carlos Cetina told us if you mess with him, he will bite you, and more than that, he will kick your face like this. Pew! Okay, more crazy people here. This is myself going backwards in the crypto winter, and this is the cutest thing you're gonna see today. It's okay, things go south, but you have me here, and we can be together every day through the market conditions. We have no more time today, but if you want to watch this in Spanish and learn some of it, you can do that in Fun on the Ride or primary channel. And if you want more English, just wait for next crypto news, Fun on the Ride, health, money, love, party in peace, and the best is yet to come. Criptomonedas a tope, to the moon.